Hey guys, it's Melanie and welcome to another episode on the vlog. So I know I've been really bad with my vlogging. I haven't even done intros at all for any of them, but I am trying to do that today for this one. I am just home getting ready and packed for our Long Island trip. We're going to my sister's boyfriend's family's place. We haven't been to the Hamptons area before, and this will be our first time. We're bringing the dogs with us. However, Kikai is feeling sick. A week and a half ago, Kikai had a dental cleaning under anesthesia, and everything went well. But that day, I guess maybe while she was at the vet still, before my mom picked her up, she must have caught something, because this past Monday she was coughing and the vet said she either has kennel cough or pneumonia. So she's been on antibiotics for the dental cleaning in case she gets an infection, because she had like 8 teeth pulled out, and then she got antibiotics again for this cough. But last night she got worse and my mom couldn't sleep because she kept coughing so much, and I feel so bad for her because she's so tiny and she like has phlegm too when she is coughing. But there's nothing we can really do anymore except to just wait for her to get better, since she already took the medication. Luckily, she's acting normal and she's excited and playing around when we're around. But since this kennel cough could have an incubation time frame of up to 10 days, I don't know if Maisie caught anything. I won't find out till next week. So during this weekend, we're just gonna try to make sure they stay separate while we're on the trip. And just, yeah. Hi, Maisie. There's Kikai. There's Maisie. But you guys have to stay separate. Heading to Montauk for first coffee.
same thing.
Yeah, she's pretty daring. Wow, I'm impressed. Enjoying the breeze. Kikai. Wow.
Where are you going? Very much.
I'll have to follow you. Wow, big jump. Big jump. That's Dave. Didn't bring my sneakers. You got him now? Oh, you're busy looking at the bumblebees. Good job, Maisie. You made it all the way down. Ready to have lunch?
Oh, here.
So we're waiting for our takeout of lobster rolls because they don't allow dogs at this restaurant. We didn't realize it. We found a baseball field and then we're just gonna eat our lobster rolls here because the brewery is packed right over there. I was hungry and I forgot to take a photo of it. I know, he's so excited. Good morning. We had a lovely dinner with the family last night, and today we are going to a bunch of breweries and vineyards. I don't think it's going to be a huge amount because we have a couple of other things on the itinerary, but I am not in charge of it this trip. It's Mallory who's in charge, my sister. So we'll see what today brings us. He's a country singer.
I used to be a
Hi guys.
Another element. One other element that
Good girl, come. 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 Where's Daddy? You wanna see Daddy? Come up.
She was out with us the whole time.
Yeah. You were out late, Maisie.
What time did we get back home last night?
I don't even know what time.
Oh, what'd you get?
You're so cute.